Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we enable do not disturb setting in our Infinix phone, and guys how can we use in Infinix phone. In this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So first of all guys, you will have to guys turn on your phone setting to enable your do not disturb. Then guys scroll it. First you can see your sound and vibration setting in your Infinix phone. So guys tap here. Then as again is close. Friends, you can see do not disturb setting as tap here. So you can see do not disturb mode setting. You can use from here. So as you want to enable do not disturb, you can enable from this right side. You can see do not disturb will stay on until you turn it off. After enable guys, you can see this icon on your screen in Infinix phone. So do not disturb mode has enabled in our Infinix. So after that guys, we cannot listen guys this alarm and ringtone volume guys. You can see media volume, volume will not work guys. You can see after enable do not disturb. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye guys.